Hello and welcome to Big Bore Knife and Gear. Today we are going to talk multi-tool. And this multi-tool happens to be the Leatherman Free P4. This particular bad boy beast of a tool, I had one courtesy of Woodland Tactical. And like all Leathermans, it does come with a 25-year warranty, which never in my life have I ever had to use. It does come with a beautiful Cordura style sheath to run on your belt, which I've never used. I prefer to carry it in pocket. I put all this back in the box just for display purposes for the video. I've used this thing for the past, maybe month. And this is a fantastic, fantastic multi-tool. It is all stainless steel. It does come with the pocket clip. The newer versions do, which I like. It just slips right in. Don't have to worry about putting this on your belt and losing it. And this one happens to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different tools. I've never counted them until now, just out loud. So first and foremost, it has a really, really well-designed needle nose plier with cutters, as you can see here. And then a multitude of other tools built into the handle. The good thing I like about this, the other tools cannot deploy whatsoever when it's in the open position like this. Great, perfect. You want to get any other tool out, you have to at least close one side or both. So for video's sake, we're just going to close both. Let's start with this side. You get a great little saw. Can opener / Phillips, or not Phillips, I'm sorry, straight edge bit. An awl with a lanyard hole to wrap and twist and pull. Also has a flattened tip that you can use as a screwdriver. This very nice Tonto style full serrated knife blade with that nice Tonto sharpened chisel tip. File, which honestly I've never have any use for. And also screwdriver tip on that one. And then another screwdriver style tip with a little measuring device. Best part about the Free series that I like, everything locks into place. Once it's open, it will not close. Disengage, you can close. So, open, cannot close, use, now you can close. This side, same thing. Has a great little knife, extremely sharp, nice little sheep's foot Warncliffe style design, perfect for everyday use. Again, now you can close it. Open, locks into place, close. Fantastic pair of scissors. And if I had thought this through, I would have grabbed some paper so I could show you how good this actually cuts, but I didn't. Another great screwdriver tip. This one is actually wedged and sharp, so you can use it as a cutting tool. Pretty cool little design. And then another Phillips style screwdriver head with a bottle opener. Perfect little EDC tool. Once again, this is the Leatherman Free P4. It's the larger of the two. There's two free series, P4, P2. P2 is a smaller version. This one is the larger version. If you guys have any use for any sort of tools throughout the day, this thing is fantastic. I'm old enough that I remember when the first Leatherman came out, and I had a multitude of different Leathermans throughout the course of my life. This one, to me, by far, is the most thought out, well-designed one as of yet. And the biggest thing I like, besides the pocket lid now, is the fact that every tool locks into place. Will not disengage until you release the lock. Fantastic, fantastic little tool. Let's get some dimensions here. So overall length closed is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4 inches. That's it. 4 1/4 inches in the pocket. It is width-wise if you were to carry it in the pocket, about 1 3/8 inches wide. It actually rides very well in the pocket, easy in and out. The only drawback is when you go to reach in, these little nubs, see how they stick up more or past the rest of the tool? Occasionally, you catch your finger on it. But other than that, fantastic little tool. And I'm sorry if you hear some scratching noises. That's my dog Callie. She's sounds like she's having a dream or something in her kennel, and scratching around and flopping around in there. But great little tool. Opened with the pliers, you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6.5 inches overall length. And with the longest tool out, which is this beautiful sheep's foot style knife, you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inches total length. Well, folks, that's about all I have for tonight on the Leatherman Free P4. I would highly recommend this tool if anybody is or has or needs the use of a multi-tool in their life. Fantastic. Fantastic tool. Anyhow, so please like, subscribe, leave a comment, because I love the feedback. And until next time, have a great night.